So it's been a while since we've done a loot crate, but we are back with one, and we heard that this one has some stuff that we think we might like and that we are interested in.
Well, hopefully you're interested in it too, and we hope that there's some cool things that you guys are really gonna enjoy. Let's go ahead and bust this open and see what we got. Hey, nice.
I mean, nice. Nice, not where it usually is. There you go.
Thank you, sir. Dun 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 dun! Oh! I don't know what it is, but I love little stuffed animal things.
Plushy!
Oh, so plushy! What is it?
Godzilla!
Yeah!
Yeah!
That's cool. Heck yeah.
We got a t-shirt, we got Jurassic Park.
Oh, really?
Ooh.
Ooh. That's kind of cool.
I like it. I like the design. I like the art and stuff.
Oh, that is a
Ooh,
little car.
little car.
That's a
T-Rex.
Mercedes. That's the ML. Yes. And then what is that? Oh, so cool.
What is that? Is that like a monkey?
No, that's the guy.
Oh my gosh, how could I forget the famous Jeff Goldblum pose? Well, that's a pretty cool shirt. I'm definitely going to be putting this one on. Stealing it from you again, Mike. You are too slow.
That's my favorite color too, blue. Are you kidding me?
And that's why I like stealing it from you.
Hey, that's why I got the. Somehow I'll beat this out of you. I don't know how I did it, but I'll get that from you. No big deal. No worries. Oh, looks like we got a bag, carrying bag. Oh, that's cool. What is that? What? Am I looking at the right way?
Oh, it's the Ghostbusters prototype.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't recognize it
Ghostbusters.
at first. Yes, that is cool. And you wear it as a backpack. Ah, I get it. That's so cool.
There, we don't want that in the baggie.
All
Alright, what else do we got?
Oh, suck him in the bag.
Oh, you're gonna
The Ghostbusters.
You're gonna store him in, huh?
More Jurassic Park. You get a Jurassic Park fan.
That
That's
is
cool.
sweet.
That's a little tiny guy. How cool.
Alright, what else do we get?
Ooh, we get a little holographic in here.
The Hulk.
Oh, is there anything else in that? Just the
Dude,
Hulk.
that is cool.
That's actually really cool.
Oh, it's the Hulk and Bruce
it's-
Banner.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
That's sick.
Honestly, I'm looking at that monitor right now and it looks cooler
Wow,
on
it
screen.
does look cooler on
It does in
screen.
person.
Jeez.
Well, actually, if I look at it straight, oh, look at it straight on.
Oh wow. Whoa.
That's why it looks so
3D.
cool on the
Pops out at
screen.
you.
Oh my
Oh, look,
gosh.
you can kind of see him in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, how cool is that?
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, it looks like we just got an ad for their Deadpool loot crate.
Ooh.
That sounds pretty cool. And ooh, this box can also be turned into something here. I already know what it is.
Eventually.
Okay, any of you know what this is?
You didn't say the magic word.
Oh, how cool is that?
We got Monitor, we got the Hulk, we got Jurassic Park, Ghostbusters, and of course, Godzilla.
Godzilla. That's actually kind of cool. I
I like
the
plushies, yeah. And it's a nice looking plushie too.
It is. It's good quality. That's
Yeah.
for sure. Wow.
I gotta say, I really like this loot crate. It's got a real, like, diversity in it, and I like everything in it.
It really does, and it's a little nostalgic too because you get the Jurassic Park and you get the Ghostbusters here, and oh, the Hulk is still around.
Yeah.
And you get this cool little I love it.
And of course the pin.
And the pen. Everything just seems a little dino related, even with the Godzilla.
So as always, if you would like to try this, we will have a link down below in the description to check out their other kind of loot crates that they have, and of course just their normal loot crate. Thanks for watching, and Unbox Authority out.